Today we will see how to find HCF of 24 and 36 using individual prime factorization method. Before solving the problem, please go through the steps below. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 24 and 36 individually. Follow these steps to find the prime factorization of 24 and the prime factorization of 36. Start dividing 24 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 24 exactly, we get 12. Again, start dividing 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 12 exactly, we get 6. Again, start dividing 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 6 exactly, we get 3. Observe here, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. As per the rule, please stop here since 1 is reached. Now collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 2 and 3. So, the prime factorization of 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Got it? Since we have already practiced many problems on prime factorization, I am skipping this step. So, the prime factorization of 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Got it? Now, let us move on to step 2. Identify the common prime factors of 24 and 36. Observe here 2, 2 and 3 are the prime factors that are common to both 24 and 36. So, the common prime factors of 24 and 36 are 2, 2 and 3. Now, let us move on to step 3. Multiply the common prime factors. In this case, the product of common prime factors is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 12. Therefore, HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Got it? This means that 12 is the greatest positive integer that divides both 24 and 36 exactly without leaving any remainder. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.